नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू आकाश डीआर चैनल. Today we are going to explore a highly profitable trading strategy, but I must clarify this strategy was not developed by me. It was created by another guy who explains in his video. तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं. In this video we will cover this topic. We will begin by examining the performance of the strategy based on 100 trades, which demonstrates his proven track record. The goal of a successful trader is to make best trades. Money is secondary. Next, we will go through the key conditions and rules explained by the creator of this strategy in this video. In their video, strategy के rules जानने के बाद we will proceed to code it for generating buy and sell signals in the trading view using PineScript. Finally, हम इस strategy को automate करेंगे trading के लिए on both MT4 and MT5 platforms, making it compatible with various brokers. तो सबसे पहले देखेंगे what is the performance of this strategy. The guy conducted a backtest of 100 trades over a 134-day periods, resulting in remarkable 28% gain on this account, on the trading account. Now, इसके रिपोर्ट के अनुसार let's address the fundamental question. What is accuracy of this strategy? He presents their tested results in the video, revealing an accuracy rate of 56%. Furthermore, the risk-reward ratio of this strategy stands as 1:1.5 ratio. So next thing is, what are rules of this trading strategy? By this guy explanation. Chart time frame is 30 minutes. Strategy tested on the market is Euro USD. This strategy is a combination of three indicators totally. First indicator is stochastic. Second indicator is RSI indicator. Third is the MACD indicator. All entries based on these indicators. For long entry, here are three rules. Stochastic D and K lines must hit the oversold zones. Next, RSI must be above 50 number lines. Now MACD must give a crossover below zero line. Stochastic should not enter the oversold zone until all conditions are met. Stop loss will be placed at the swing low and take profit exit is at 1.5 times of the stop loss. Now for short entry, stochastic K and D lines must hit overbought zone below 50 number line. Now MACD must give crossover below zero line. Stochastic should not enter the oversold zone until all conditions are met. Stop loss will be placed at the swing high and take profit exit is same at 1.5 times of the stop loss. Now we have all strategy rules, so we will move to create automation. We will begin by building a signal indicator in TradingView. Based on these rules, we will check each condition step by step. Now I will get a stochastic indicator first. Check the stochastic K line and D line hits the oversold zone. Then I am going to add an RSI indicator. Check RSI is above 50 level. Now adding a MACD indicator and check MACD crossover happen below zero line. If all conditions met, before generating a buy signal, we will check that the stochastic must not hit the overbought level. stop loss at swing low using pivot low and take profit is at 1.5 times of the stop loss. Also, I will add optimized setting told by him to place stop loss if swing low is greater than 0.15%. Then we will set SL of 0.15%. I will do vice versa for sell signal. Check stochastic K line and D line hits overbought zone. RSI is below 50, MACD cross under happen above zero level. If stochastic hits the oversold zone, set it to false. After all conditions are met, give a sell signal. Placing stop loss at swing high, TP is 1.5 times of the stop loss. Also, I will add optimized setting told by him to place stop loss if swing high is greater than 0.15%. will set SL of 0.15%. Also, I will set one trade at a time condition as told by him according to his optimization. Now let's move to the chart and see if our indicator is working correctly. यहाँ पे buy signal दिखा रहा है. So let us check if all conditions and rules are matching or not. Stochastic oversold hit हुआ है, RSI भी above 50 है and MACD crossover happened below 50. So the buy signal is correct. We will see the sell signal now. Now here stochastic overbought hit हुआ है, RSI भी below 50 है, MACD and MACD cross under happen above 50. तो हमने ये तो देख लिया कि हमारे इंडिकेटर की स्क्रिप्ट के सिग्नल्स परफेक्ट काम कर रहे हैं. According to strategy rules, with the indicator in place, we will proceed to automate trading on a forex account using Pine Connector. You can adapt this to any broker with MT4 or MT5. For more detailed information, you can refer to our channel dedicated video on this topic. We will create a single alert that covers buy and sell signals as well as stop loss and take profit values by passing them to our code. This simplifies the alert process. Pine Connector EA can be downloaded for MT4 और MT5 और EA की लाइसेंस की सेट कीजिए Pine Connector के वेबसाइट से and other settings as per your requirements. You can adjust the quantity setting in the Pine Connector for your convenience. Now it's time to test the setup in the demo account. No, I will use a small time frame to get more signals so I can show you trades in the video. I will set up alerts and select indicator and paste webhook from the Pine Connector website and created it. जैसे ही यहाँ पे buy या फिर sell सिग्नल आएगा तब अलर्ट जनरेट होगा और वो MT4 पे जाएगा और ऑर्डर प्लेस करेगा. You can use VPS for keeping open MT4 to keep running without needing your computer or laptop active. If you want this indicator free script, description में link मिल जाएगी. If you have other strategy you would like to automate, please let us know in the comments. और ट्रेडिंग में पेशेंस रखिए क्योंकि कभी कभी आपको जीवन में सबसे अच्छा पाने के लिए सबसे बड़े दौर से गुजरना पड़ता है. अगर आपको कोई स्ट्रेटेजी बैकटेस्ट या फिर लाइव करनी है, कॉन्टैक्ट एट दिस नंबर which is showing on your screen. I hope you found this video helpful. सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही अमेजिंग वीडियोस के लिए. तो फिलहाल अभी तो चलते हैं. Stay tuned, stay happy and enjoy trading.